6 address. So 2031 colon 000. So 4 zeros means instead of 4 zeros we can use as a single zero. Next 130F, so we can written as 130F. Next we can see continuous zeros, that is 000 colon 0000. So if it is continuous zeros means we can use the double scope. Here we can use double scope. Next we can see 09C0. If it is leading zero means we can be helmeted. So the leading zero can be helmeted. That can be written as 9C0. Then we can colon 876A colon 130B. We cannot represent it as this because double scope can be used only once in an IP version 6 address. If it is one single IP version 6 address means we can use only once, we can use the double scope. If it is used double time we can use the double scope means it is wrong. Next we can see FF01 colon 00000 colon 1. So the continuous zero can be eliminated. That can be written as double scope. Next, if it is first 127 bits are zeros and 128 bit is 1 means we can written as colon 1. If it is all the 128 bits are zeros means we can written as double scope. Let's we can see the example. Okay, so in this example we can use that shortcuts. Here we can see in first group we can check leading zero. So leading zero can be helmeted. Here we can see the leading zero. So that zero can be helmeted. So we can written as C3F colon. Next we can see C00. So if it is leading zero means we can be helmeted. So it is not leading zero. So we can written as it is C000 colon. Next we can see 081D. So it is a leading zero. So the leading zero can be eliminated. We can written as 81D colon. Next we can see 00000. So three groups are continuous zero. So continuous zero means we can use the double scope. Here we can use the double scope. Next we can see C12E. So we can written as C12E. As it is we can return. Next colon F49E. So we can write as F49E. Okay, now the IP version 6 address can be okay. Using that shortcuts we can short the IP version 6 address. So here we can see IP version 6 is an 128 bit address. So that 128 bit address can be written as an hexadecimal. In that hexadecimal we can use the shortcuts, we can written as small. Now that IP version 6 address is in like small. So here we can see 1 2 3 4 5. So IP version 6 is an 8 groups. Here we can see the 5 groups are there. Then we can use the double scope. Double scope means remaining are 3 groups are zeros, that is continuous zeros. Okay, so leading zeros can be eliminated. Next, continuous zeros can be written as double scope. Okay, next we can move for next slide. IP version 6 address types. So there are 3 types of address types are there: unicast, multicast and anycast. Unicast means it is an one-to-one mapping. Multicast means it is a group. In that group only it can. So anycast means one to nearest. For example, this is an PC. Here 3 servers are there. So the 3 servers are using the same IP address. For example, 3 of them are using same IP address. If the PC requires some data means, so it sends. So the 3 servers are there. So the PC requires the data means which server is nearest to that PC means it can be replied. It can send the request to that IP address. That IP address is common for all 3 of this server. So which server is nearest to that PC means that can be replied to that PC. So that is an Unicast. IP version 6 Unicast address. There are several types of IP version 6 Unicast addresses are there. Let's we can see global. So in global it starts with 200:/3. That means first 3 bits can be indicated as 0 0 1. Let's we can see the example. So global address means first 3 bits should be 001. So first 3 bits 001 means it should be assigned as a global address. So that means, so first 3 bits should be 001. Let's we can see the first 4 bits. So in that 4 bits, first 3 bits should be 001. So that option 00, next 0, next 0011. So the value starts from 2 0 0 0 2 2 sorry 3 F F F. So the global IP address. So in global IP address, first 3 bits should be 001 means that IP address should be taken as an assigned as an global IP address. So first 3 bits should be 001. That means here we can see, we can take this group. So in this group, so each character represents an hexadecimal. So 0 means it represents the 4 bits 0 0 0 0. So okay, so in that first character, the first 3 bits should be represented as 001 means it can be taken as an, so 001, next bit is 0, either it can be 0 or 1. If it is 1, so put 0 means it's starting from 2000 to 3. If it is put 1 means 3 F F F. So the global IP address starts from 200 to 3 FF. So in that range the IP version 6 address can be started means it is said to be a global IP address, global IP version 6 address. Okay, next, link local address, that is a private IP address. Link local address means FE80. So that is first 10 bits should be 1 1 1 1, next 1 1 1 0, next 1 0 0. So first 10 bits represents FE80 means that is said to be an link local address. Next, multicast address means first 8 bits should be 1 1 1 1, next 1 1 1 1, that is F 0 0. If it starts with FF means it is said to be a multicast address. If it starts with FE80, that is first 10 bits should be 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 means it is said to be a link local address. Next we can see loopback address. In IP version 4 the loopback address is 127.0.0.1. In IP version 6 the loopback address is first 127 bits are 0. So that can be determined as double scope. Then we can use 1, that is 128th bit is 1. So double scope 1.